Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, western Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Briar, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Golf ball size hail was reported with this storm over Azle. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Decatur, Briar, Pecan Acres, Munster, Alvord, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, St. Joe, Lindsay, Paradise, Frostburg, Cottondale, Rome, and Newark. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.